Weekend Modder here with a send-in service proof video for Samuel B. Samuel, this is the console that you sent in for RGH service. It is a Corona motherboard with a 16 megabyte motherboard. We did the Muffin cr4 speed-up method install on it using a matrix glitch chip. So that's a matrix chip with a onboard oscillator wired up very much like a cr4. And we did the blue LEDs, and you can see the console booting here. We've got Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XCX menu, and Aurora Dash all preloaded. By default here it's going to start up directly into Freestyle Dashboard. One last note is be sure to check out the additional links that are in your final confirmation email. The download link for your backup files is in there, as well as links to some other tutorial videos that would be really useful for getting to know how to handle everything. So, thanks very much for trusting us with your console. We'll get it packed up and headed out your way tomorrow.